For the repair of the Alfa Laval EPC50 I/O boards, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the units. For testing, we had a series of power supplies and a spare OP board. As soon as we turn on the power supplies, the units react and we can see the message on the LCD screen of the OP board. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. The same process is repeated for the second I/O board. It is now clear that both I/O boards are operating successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.